only time I've washed out the color, or as much as I was willing to wash out, because Manic Panic takes a while to wash out, but how I see it, it's gonna wash out anyways at some point. It's vegan. It's gonna be all right. Two lessons learned by doing this by myself. One, when I'm applying the color, I should go row by row, so I don't forget or not forget, accidentally not actually color some of the locks, or color part of the lock and not all of the locks. So notice that when I was looking back at the video, when I was looking at my hair, I was like, oh, I missed some stuff. So definitely need to go row by row versus clump like clump. And I think that was it. I don't know. If I think of the other one, I'll say it, but I don't remember. I'm trying to put some type of curl in it, and I'm wearing it to work underneath a beanie. So, you'll get to see my hair with me, because I ain't never seen it. You ain't seen it yet. Well. Ooh. Ooh, Lord, my roots got done badly. Whew. See, this is why Mother Dearest helped me out with that. But you all, I need to do a better job with washing some more of this out. I didn't get the top layer very well, so I'm about to do that real fast. I know you probably can't see it on camera because it's like a red tint, especially when it's wet. But okay, guys, so I got all the substance out of my hair, completely washed out. Didn't realize I had left some stuff in. So anyways, I'm just kind of looking at my hair in the mirror, realizing, wow, this color is looking really beautiful, and for some reason it just doesn't show up on camera. But it shows up on pictures very well, and it shows up in person very well. So just something to think about with Manic Panic. You're definitely going to get a really good tint, but it may not show up on camera very well, like video. I am just showing that I'm going to use these pipe cleaners to put a bit of curl in my hair. I got this idea from a girl on YouTube named Elise. I will link her video in the description box below. But if you want to see how I actually go about doing this style, if you can go to reference my wash day video, and it will give step-by-step instructions. Okay, so I finished off camera. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So I did 9. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but I'm going to let it dry for the rest of the day. I'll either take them out tonight or tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. So that is that. I am running late. I've got to leave for work. I'm going to strap a bonnet on my head and keep it moving. Okay, you all, I'm back. This is the next morning. I am in a rush. I need to pick up my little sister from school, and we are going thrifting today. So this will be quick. I'll have some other footage of it down, out and about later, but right now I just need to take it down. So it's completely dry. I wore it under a beanie yesterday, which wasn't the best idea. It was so wet still after the washout that, and it was a cold day, so it wasn't smart. It was kind of miserable of a day at work. As soon as I got home, I set it in the dryer for 2 hours. And after that, it was completely dry, but I just, left it in this, and I was like, I'll take it out the next day. So it's kind of where we're at. That wasn't a smart move on my part, but yeah. There's some that the dye got on my scalp, like, for real. This is what I was trying to avoid, but doing it by myself, that didn't happen. Oh Lord. I haven't really been looking at my hair. It stayed under a bonnet pretty much all day. Or I didn't look in the mirror. So I'm seeing it with you guys. I don't know. It's gonna come out over time, I suppose. I just won't be having my hair in parts until that is good to go. It's gonna stay down. But let's take this down. So in her video, she said just unloop that and then undo the top. Where's the top? Oh, there it is. It's like, where's it at? I got brown color so I'd be able to see it, but I probably should have got black so I should be able to see it. Let's see it better. Okay, I think I'll just cut this. I know nobody got time for this. Unless it's coming. Is this it? Yes. Alright. There it is. So I should just be able to pull it down. Okay. That didn't work. That didn't. In her video, she said she could just lightly pull it down. Maybe because I did it way too tight around this thing. But I kind of had to because it wasn't long enough. Sorry, y'all, for my ashy lips. But I'm getting ready and I ain't putting nothing on my lips. Actually, while we talking about it, let me just do that right now, right? Instead of apologizing for it, let me just do it. That reminds me, I wanted to put oil on my hands when taking this down, just a little bit. Use some sweet, can you see that? It's natural almond oil. Just gonna put a little bit on my hands. Okay. Don't have much at all. It's just to make my hands a little shiny. And take this off. Alright, so I'm just going to take them all down and then I will undo them. But this is what it looks like after I take it down. So one thing I'm loving about the color, it is a muted red, so it looks very natural. It's definitely going to show up way more in the sunlight, so don't think you want to just like boom, but people are going to know you have a tint in your hair. It's very obvious. Whew. You know when you take something down, it's just like, ooh, I feel good, it got some air. Alright, so that's the color. And this is in natural light, this is not under some special light or beam. I'm just in my bathroom. Okay. Okay, so I haven't seen my hair. I want to go ahead and see it. I don't typically like a middle part, but I don't know, I'm kind of feeling this middle part today. I'm loving the body from these curls. I'm totally doing them again. I'm just gonna do them a little smaller, maybe next time. Not all of them, just some of the really big ones I had, maybe doing them a little smaller. But I definitely like this better than just doing my normal flat twist out. I think I get better curls at the end. So yeah, loving it. Don't worry, I will put pics and some video footage in natural light, no transfer, good to go. So we're in there. I love it. So I'll be back with more footage and all that jazz, but I hope you enjoyed the style. Try it, let me know what you think. All right. Hello everyone, this is pretty much the end of this video. This is second day hair. Definitely will try, I still don't know the name of those things, those fuzzy sticks again. I definitely love the fullness of my hair. It's bouncy, it's got so much body, and I'm living for this. This is just, I love this. This is awesome. Love the color. I've had people already see it, so they were like, oh my goodness, the red tint's beautiful. It looks so natural on you. It just complements your skin tone so much, and I would agree with them. I think it's very beautiful. I think I found the color I'm probably going to be sticking with. The hot pink was nice, but I really like this color, so I may be keeping this up and doing it each time I retighten my hair if I stick with the 2-month frequency. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Hope you all can see it. I can't see anything. I'm blinded by this light. So yeah, I absolutely love it. So hubby loves it. He loved the surprise. Of course, that for me is like the biggest win. So love that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the results. And if you're going to try it, let me know. I would love to see what it looks like or hear about your results as well. So share it with the fam. We'd love to hear. Without further ado, I hope this video finds you blessed as always. And until next time, take care. Bye. Hey guys,
what up,
can y'all
people?
see us?
There we go.
Alright, so we found a park like around the corner from our house in Wake Forest, so we're super excited, but it is humongous, guys.
It's a pretty cool park.
Like, it's huge and it's so beautiful, and it has, I guess let me show y'all. How do I switch this? Like all day, but anyways, we're gonna get off. We've just been walking around and exploring a bit of it. Oh, look at that corgi. He's running, so cute. Yeah, we're just, ooh, look at that red come through with the sun. I'm liking that.